So over here you can see that I have a diagram right here, and sometimes what you may want to do with the diagram is you may want to go around and add in numbers to it. So to do that, you can enable out Enumerate Diagram feature from the properties. So to do that, you can click on any one of the shapes right here, then go around over here onto the style section onto the properties right here. Once you go around over here, you'll have an option for enumerate right here. And once you click on this, you can see number right here, which gets attached onto this particular shape. You can go around and change out the value. So right now, by default, it's 1, as you can see right here. And I can enumerate this as well. And I can shift select and select out all of the shapes right here and enumerate them out as well. So you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right here. But sometimes what happens is that you may not get the correct number. In that case, you can go around over here and just type out the enumerate value for that particular shape right here. So I'm just going to say 7 right here. And for this one, you can go around and add in 8 just like this. And now you know the number of shape that is there, and you can see that they have a number attached onto them for easy management of the shapes right here. So that is how you can go around and then enumerate different shapes inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.